If you're not much of a gardener like me, I have a solution for you. Let me introduce you to Gardyn. Gardyn is a groundbreaking vertical garden system. They have hydroponic technology that allows you to grow 30 plants at the same time, and it's designed to use inside your home. Seriously, have a black thumb. I can't keep a house plant, killed them. I've tried growing herbs like on the windowsill, killed them. A succulent plant, you guys. The most easiest thing to keep alive. Minimal water, killed it. We downloaded the Gardyn app on both our phones, so we're able to connect with Kelby. Kelby, Gardyn's advanced AI technology, monitors your garden 24/7 using multiple sensors, including cameras, temperature, humidity, and water intake. And with the app, we get alerted like, hey, today's trimming day, or it just gives you the next steps to do. You can even put it on vacation mode. We're leaving in just a few weeks for the holiday season, so it will have food and water ready to go in it, and this is going to be taken care of by the AI. When I say minimal effort, minimal work, I truly mean it. Each plant grows in an easy-to-use Y-pod system that creates a perfect environment to sprout plants in a matter of days. With their growing technology and LED lighting, you'll be growing all without a trace of pesticides, and drastically reduces water usage by 95%. We learned about this type of gardening last year, and it has intrigued us, and we wanted to try this. Gardyn carefully selects organic, locally sourced, and non-GMO seeds. You can pick from over 60 fruits, vegetables, herbs, and flowers.